Whoopee! So we're done here, and this is some style that my brother has given me. I don't like it, but yeah, it's my brother's choice, so I'ma put it. Anyways, this is the bathroom. Say hi to the toilet pot. I'm guessing where does all the poop and shit goes? Does it go down this boat? And Whoopee is feeding off on our shit. Yes, I get it. So Whoopee is feeding off on our poop. Ooh, yes. And look at this. Look at this behind this. Wow. Wow. And look at this. Like, it's open from the top. Yeah. But what if a really tall guy comes, or Whoopee jumps out of the water and watches us naked and look at our ding dong? Then it's gonna be a problem. Because Whoopee loves ding dong.
Gaze into a mirror, and what do you see?
So we're going back to enjoy the local light. So we have stopped here to take cucumbers and long gourd. There's cucumber with some salt on it. I think pepper, salt, and I don't know, some salt, chili, chili and salt. Yes. It's pretty tasty. I don't know. I have no idea. It's not that tasty, but it's fine. Okay, I don't know, don't judge me, it's just fine. So we're going to some temple right now, and that means more of walking, a lot of walking. So we went to this temple that is on the topmost of Srinagar, and it's called Shankaracharya temple. Yeah, so it was pretty, like, it had like 280 stairs to go up. It was pretty fun, it was pretty adventurous. But look at this, where does this path leads to? I so wanna go there. If only I was alone and not with my parents. Yeah, so we'll be moving towards the local market now, and let's hope we don't have to walk there, man, please. I mean, I know we have to walk there because I'm here with my mom, but anyways, let's see what we end up to. So we've reached at some different temple right now. So here it is said that there is one spring over here, water spring, and there was one of the Indian leader back at those days. He was called Jawaharlal Nehru. So he used to drink water from this spring only, and he used to come, like a special helicopter used to come daily to take water from the spring so that he drinks only this water. Yeah, that's pretty awkward, but yeah, so we're gonna go and drink water from that spring. So I think the spring is right over here. Where is it? Is it this spring? Are you kidding me? What's up? This is not even a spring, it's like a so yeah, that's the spring. Where? Seriously? Are you kidding me? Okay, let's drink and find how does it taste. They say it tastes different, like it tastes sweet, and it's like different than any other water that you ever drink. So I don't know, let's see. How does it taste? The water. If I think it's different, then it will be different, but I don't think so it's different. It's just that I know it's different, that's why I'm feeling that it's different, but I don't know, I don't think so it's different. I think I'm gonna give it one more go. And it's like any normal mountain water though, but if I think that it's different, then I think it's different. I don't know if you don't know what I mean. Well, now I think it's different. I think the aftertaste of the water is different, and it's like a little bit lighter than the normal water that we drink, and that's the only different part I felt. Yeah. So we're moving towards something that I spotted. That's the rock with a skull on it. That's algae. That's skull though. Hey wait, it's algae only, but it looks like skull. Wow, that's nice. Well, look at those mountains. Skull, rock, grass, algae, hill, lamp, tree, rascal. You! You! Yeah, so we're at this park called Chashmashahi. So this is how it looks from inside. Yeah, people are very awkward here. They just keep staring. They just keep disturbing you. Firstly, I have this hair, and then secondly, I'm making a vlog, and I'm carrying this stick along with the GoPro, and they're like, "Oh, what is this? What is this?" But anyways, so this is how it looks. Don't mind if somebody is actually looking in the camera and just looking very weird. So that's like very normal. That's like my eyes. You're looking through my eyes right now. So anyways, up, up, up. So this is how it looks from top, from up. Look at that house and look at the hill behind. Wow, amazing. And this is the park. So you're just supposed to just chill here and that's it. And also look here, there's water. People are going through water. Yeah, that's it. Now what? What do I do? Just sit here? Look at those kids having fun. You wanna go there? No. You gonna go there. I'm gonna throw him. Very good. You. This rose is for especially for those female viewers who are watching, especially for you, my fellow lovers. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that's not rose. That's something else. Tulip. Yeah. Don't look at the words. Look at the feeling. Spring water. So it's the same replica of the older thing. That was the real one. This is like the fake one. People are drinking water and enjoying water here. So people who were living here used to drink water from this spring. Yes. And Jawaharlal Nehru used to drink water from that spring which I showed you before. So yeah, we drank water from there. We're not drinking water from here. It's just too dirty. And yeah, my fellow female lovers, more flowers for you. Everybody's looking at me. Everybody's staring at me. And still I have to do this thing. And people are still looking. They're looking and looking and looking. And I have to act crazy. Because I am crazy. But I don't want to show them that I'm crazy. Because I'm a good person according to them. Because I have good hair and I'm like a pop culture hit guy. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Hara. Look at the sunset and the roses. Look at the master and the flowers. Now are we going back to our place? Because I know that these stairs are gonna hurt. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm not good at singing. I'm not good at making songs. So stop making fun of me, okay? I know it already, okay? And yes, we're going back. That's it. So we're done with today's roaming and touring. And now we're gonna have dinner and then we're gonna sleep. So we're back at our boathouse and now I'm gonna just... Ouch. Now I'm just gonna rest. That was hard. But anyways, if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to put that thumbs up, because this thumbs up puts this up on my face. Okay? And hit that red button right now. Subscribe right now. And I will see you next time. Until then, Chinguning. Communitings